I'm Rachel Williams, and we're gonna go over like everything platinum. Let me tell you why I really love it. I really believe that hair products are basically our skincare for our hair. I have a lot of people asking formulas for those really, really pretty smoky, icy platinums. And I wanted to like share a little trick I like to do to create a slight little dimensional shadow root with the same formula. So I'm gonna start when I tone at the front quadrant, and I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna create that root. Honestly, like, there's not a set time. I mean, that's why I always say there's no cutting corners. Every individual is different. Even the same individual, when they come back, can sometimes like be more stubborn than last time. So it's gonna take you some time, but that's how you get even results, and you get great, healthy results too.